subscribers, and welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for visiting today. I am Ronnie, and I am from the Sunshine State of Florida. And so I am doing this video. I'm excited. Today is a rainy day, so I just said, okay, I'm just gonna do this video, get it over with, and put it out there because I am getting calls, I am getting emails and texts about this upcoming notary workshop. So if you have an opportunity to look at my previous video, you will see, or you heard, that I had something going up the pipeline. I am planning a notary workshop, and it is in the works now. And of course, I will make the announcement soon. And I was supposed to come back and do this video, and so I am doing it today. So for those of you that are new, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And before the video is over, like and do share with those notaries who you think would be interested, whether they are a notary, a to-become notary, or a notary signing agent. So this is the announcement for what's coming. So it is a notary workshop that I am hosting. I am with NOTEADOC, that's NOTEADOC.com. And so hold on to that website because you will need it to register, to reserve your seat. So when is this workshop? It is going to be Saturday, September the 21st, 2024 at 10 a.m. Now, I put to 1 o'clock, 1:30-ish, but if we go over because we're having so much fun, then I'm okay with that. I wanted to do 4 hours, 5 hours, and I get it. Some people don't want to spend their entire Saturday, but this is going to be great. This is going to be good information, and I'm going to give you the topics, the 4 topics that we're going to go over. And I know we're probably going to go off on a tangent or whatever, and we're going to hit points probably that's not on the workshop flyer, but that's okay. That's okay. That is what this workshop is for. So I just told you when. Saturday, mark your calendars, September the 21st, 2024, starting at 10 a.m. Now, go ahead, get your ticket. It's only $75. That's it. And lunch is included. And we're not talking about beef jerky sticks. We're talking about a good, wholesome brunch lunch. And of course, we will have coffee and drinks and stuff like that. Not like drinks, but like soda, orange juice, water, stuff like that. So my team is working behind the scene. We're going to make this happen, and we all are so excited. So this is what NOTEADOC is bringing to Gainesville, Florida. Okay, so where is it going to be? It's going to be at the Fairfield Inns and Suites, Interstate 75. So basically Archer Road, right off of Archer Road, where the Clark Butler Boulevard is. So it's going to be at the event center there, and it's going to be nice. So again, seats are limited. Get your ticket, $75. That's all I'm going to say about that, because I have looked up numerous of fees for other conferences, other workshops, other, things that are going on, and $75 is not even, can't even touch it. We're talking about $200 and up. But this is going to be nice, okay? And you're definitely going to get your money worth. So if you are a notary to be, a notary, NSA to be, or a notary signing agent, and you want to, number one, maximize your income. maximize your income, boost your income, increase your income, guess what? We're going to talk about it. I'm going to give you ways to do it, how to do it, okay? The next thing is, all of you introverts who are quiet, don't talk much, don't speak much, but you got energy, we're going to teach you how important it is to build relationships with other notaries, signing services, other professions, because that is going to help your business grow, okay? If I don't know you, then why would I choose you? Okay, so it's those that are getting out there, that are making connections, making relationships. Somebody say networking. We're going to teach you what you need to do with that, okay? And the next one is so important. It's really like number one, because if you're a notary, if you are a notary signing agent, you need to know the basic state laws and requirements for doing your job. That's the only way that you're going to be successful, okay? Whether you do one signing or 10 signings, you need to practice your state laws and requirements, know where they are, know what they represent, know even where to go and find them, okay? So that's number three, but really it's like, it should have been like number one, but that's where it is, okay? And so the next one is, once you know those state laws and requirements, to me, you should have a successful signing. Every one of your signings should be smooth. Now, you may have to go back out, you may have to redo, you may have to cross out an initial. That's good, because we're not perfect, but to have a successful signing means that you made the phone call, you confirmed it, you printed your documents, you went to the appointment, you were dressed professional, and everything was done. It was smooth. You got a good review. You got no review. The signing service called you and said, great job. Now that's a successful signing. So we're going to go over a lot of things that go into you delivering a successful signing. Okay, so those are the 4 things that we're definitely going to hit, we're going to knock out. But of course, we're going to probably go over a lot more, and you will definitely be able to ask questions and get the answers that you need to go back and make a difference in your community, make a difference in your business, your partners, your other notaries that you're partnering with, even if you have witnesses that you utilize on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis. And so again, I am so excited because we're still wrapping up, planning, getting things together for this workshop, and it is going to be nice. Okay, so the number one thing that you need to do if you are interested is you can send me an email at noteadoc@yahoo.com. That's NOTEADOC. I like that. Wait a minute, hold on. NOTEADOC@yahoo.com. Okay, so that's my email address. You can send me an email, let me know you're interested, and I will email you a link from Square to reserve your seat. Another way that you can do it is go to my website, which is NOTEADOC.com. Okay, so here we go again. NOTEADOC.com. Okay, so go to my website, and the cover page has a button for you to press. You can click there. It will take you over to the coaching and training page, and you can click in there up under the training workshop, and you can click pay, and it will take you to the link to make your payment. Now, those are 2 ways that you can pay. Now, if you're a Cash App person, Zelle person, PayPal person, you can give me a call or you can email me. We can do it that way as well. But the easiest way is to request the link or go to my website and go to the training page and you can click on reserve your seat from there. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to drop it right down there, and I promise you that I will respond. And I look forward to seeing all of you. If you have any questions about one-on-one because you cannot make it, because you're out of state, then of course give me a call, send me a text, and we can chat about it, okay? So that is the update. That is the announcement. I am so excited, and I look forward to seeing all of you. This is my first workshop that I am hosting, and I am so excited. I can't wait to get all of you in one room, okay? All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I probably will be back in about 2 to 3 weeks to do another update on the workshop information for those of you that may have missed it, okay? So thank you so much and have a great day. Go out there and get those successful signings. Bye!